y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some prom styles, or you can do it like wedding styles, or just, I guess I would say some formal styles, some easy formal styles. And all you're going to have to do is like curl your hair, girl, and then style it in one of these different ways that I'm about to show you. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Well, I'm going to start by throwing some curls in my hair. You don't have to use a big curling iron, but like it's just quicker and easier, so that's why I use it. So I'm just going to grab this piece and I'm going to curl everything going back. And so these curls is kind of like the hardest thing you're going to do with any of these styles. So as you can see, I'm actually taking big sections. So I probably did like 3 big sections on each side, and that's just like gonna help you curl it faster. All you need really is like curls at the end of the hair. So you just want to like throw some curls in it like this and just let them sit until you finish the rest of your head. Okay, so now my curls are looking like this, and I'm just gonna comb them out with my hands. And so the first style I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my comb and pull everything, or use my hand and pull everything to one side. This is like a really popular prom style and wedding style. Now, so I'm gonna show you like a little trick of how to keep the hair on this side, so you won't have to, keep moving it, I guess, to this side. So what I'm gonna do is take this half right here, then I'm gonna use the scrunchie. And so then you're gonna have the ponytail with the curls. And so then what you can do is use this hair to wrap it around that to cover the band. Okay, so this is how it looks once I'm all the way done. As you can see, my side is staying in place. The curls are not, coming down or anything, but this is a really cute style. So, okay, so for the next style, I'm going to section the top two, well, the side sections off. Okay. So then we're going to do like the same thing. We're going to put the ponytail, or put your ponytail to the side. And so, to go with this band, you just wrap some hair around it. Like that. Alright, so now. Okay, so this part, what I'm doing is just literally taking pieces of the ponytail. As you can see, the ends is curled, and I'm just pinning the curls up. And what I'm doing is creating a messy bun. So when I'm pinning, as you can see, I'm taking like small to medium pieces, and I'm pinning the curls in the middle of the curl shaft. Like, I'm not actually pinning the actual end of the curl. What I want is for the end of the curl to stick out and curl around. So it'll look like this, a little messy bun. So you got the little curly messy bun. So then you take your front pieces out. Take the front pieces out. so I'm going to start with this side now. Smooth it out. Okay, so what I'm doing is just pinning the front pieces to the back with the rest of the bun. And it's going to give you like a curly bigger bun. But now, the reason I leave the sides down is so I can style the sides however I want to. And I have a better, I guess, handle on the style. Okay, so this is the second style. And I'm going to leave this hanging because this is what the royals would do, you know. Okay, so this one you kind of want droop sides. So you want to. Okay, so this is the simplest one of them all. All I'm doing is just pinning one side back, just like this, and then I'm done. I'm just going to fluff my curls out, and this is how it looks. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me which style you like better. Thank you.